Alright, Mazda 3. Slide along, you see the first clip in there. We're just going to push down, pop it out. Couple little openings there. Okay, notice lock, unlock. You can always verify power, pop the battery out, positive down, positive down. This is that. This top one will be negative. Temperature set at 333. Pop the box open, get the wires out. Trim them down. We don't want these long extra pieces touching the board, so I always go half of what's sticking out, like 1/16 of an inch. It's short. We just need the solder to touch the contacts, especially on this. The power could be a little longer because you got big contacts there. But this, we don't want touching anything else on the circuit board, so short as possible. Alright, pretty short. Touch them all up with some solder. Always like fresh solder on everything. Just making sure my tip is hot and clean. Again, power 333. Seems to be decent so far. Goes out nicely. Alright, remember lock is on top. Alright, so this pad and the one opposite would be the same, so we're going to go diagonal. So I'm going to heat up just a tiny bit of solder on the bottom one. Just touch it so it's got a little ball of solder. Little. Alright, so flip it over. Got the bottom one here, so diagonal be the outside there. Okay. If you look up in the guide, we had green wire is unlock, purple lock. This is the V3 guide. Install shows lock at the top, right? Purple to lock. So let's start with that. Do purple and green. Now, you always want to have it coming off the board a little bit. You want to come diagonal up, that's good. We just don't want it touching the board when we're done. There's so many tiny traces around there. Make sure it doesn't just fall off. Just tiny little wiggle. Alright. Alright, so if we remember, positive was to the contacts on the outside, the one down touches the side, up would be ground.
How'd you wrap that line? This mine's not reaching. Oh, to that center. Did you go that way?
What did you do?
I went
Did you come this way or
that way. So I went alright. Bring it through there and straight across.
Everything wet. Wire and the pad.
So then I changed them. Go this way.
He's making landscaping.
Try that way. And then you're gonna go behind it with like the wires.
Right. Tight. Tight. And we just wanted to make sure nothing touched the circuit board or any traces around it. Only the pads on the side of the switch, diagonally. Looks good. We're going to give it a test.